Hey guys, Slotter Magic here. Finally uploading the video showing you how to do it. Disclaimer, it's not illegal and whatever else I put up on the screen. We're doing the speedrun version because you guys are pretty smart. I don't really need to start at 0. And the video is sponsored by Into the AM. We'll get back to that later. So the rumor is true that I really made 50,000 in like 3 years ripping off casinos. No, I made 62,000. Pulled in another 2,800 just on New Year's. Here's how you do it. All right, 3-line video poker. Can't get much simpler than this. All right, here we go. I'm betting 5 per line, 15 total. So 5, 5, 5. You know, jacks are better on the line. You get your money back. 2 pair, you get 2 times the money. Trips on up to like quads and stuff. So real simple. If you don't know how to play video poker, just go watch any other video to learn how to play it. So I paired up. I won 10 of my 15 back. Simple. So there's another version, really similar, called Ultimate X, and this is what the logo looks like. This is what the game looks like. So if I had bet max here, you can see I'm betting 30 instead of 15, and that's because I'm betting 5 plus 5 per line. So let's hold ace king here, see what we get. Oh, I got just one simple little pair of kings. So what is this? On the next hand, I get 2x. That's correct. So on the next hand right here, if I could win on this line, I get double. Real simple. So I didn't. I got jacks up there, 2x, okay. Probably seeing how this works, but I'll show you the chart in a second. Oh, look at that. So we got a pair of jacks on the bottom. So that was a winning hand. Got jacks are better, 2x. And then we got 3 aces, which got the 2x from the previous hand. And then on the next hand, I get 4x. So how does that work? Well, jacks are better is 2x on the next hand. 2 pairs, 3x. 3 of a kind is 4x. Straight is 8x. Flush, 11. Full house is 12. Anything above that 2x, so you don't get too nuts with it if you get real freaky streaky. So it would be great if I could pull like 4 of a kind on this 4x. Let's see if I do it. Oh, 2 aces. That's not bad. Guaranteed winner. Okay, so we've got 2x across the board. You can see how this is a little more fun, a little more variance, but we're not after fun. We're after ripping off the casinos. So right here, I just got dealt 3 of a kind. So I got 4, 4, 4 set up for the next hand. So what would happen if I manually turn the bet back to 5? You can see it says bet max credits to activate the Ultimate X feature. I don't want to activate the Ultimate X feature for the current / next hand. I just want to get the maximum benefit from these 4x's. So now I'm playing regular old 15 credit poker, except I've got a 400% return. So I paid it 15 and I'd expect it to pay me about 60, which is a 45 profit. And that's just the average hand. And I say that because the average take on an average hand on video poker is 1 to 4%. So you get 99 to 96% of your money back, depending upon the pay table and how much you're betting. We'll just ignore the casino's entire edge and just round up to 100% because, who cares? We got a 400% edge. I don't really care about the casino's minuscule 2% take. It's virtually a rounding error on just this next hand. Now I could completely whiff or I could pull a royal. You never know. Let's find out. 8s. There we go. Okay. Might be able to pull one. Get 2 pair, get trips or something. Total whiff. So it did happen, but imagine you repeated that 1,000 times. You are always going to come out ahead in the long run because that advantage is real. This isn't some slot machine with some fake progression. This is real. Here's 10 line, pretty much the same thing. I'm betting 50 or 100. 100 to max it out, 50 to cut it in half. So you can see I'm betting 5 there instead of max. Oh, we got a 10, 10, 10 set because I got flush, 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 and then a pair. So let's see what we get here. We're betting 50. And I think I'd go naked ace on this pay table. What the hell? Let's go ace jack. I want to prove a point here. Well, there's my 50 right there, and there's my 50 right there. So normally I would have won 5, 5, 5, 5, and I would have won, what is that, 20 bucks on a 50 or 100 bet if you're betting max. That's pretty crap. But because the 10s were there, I won 110 credits on 50 credits. So whether that's quarters or dollars, I just made out like a bandit because somebody left 10x's there. And by somebody, I mean the multiple people who played the game before you. People love leaving multipliers because they don't know you can manually roll over the bet. I mean, I played for 12 years and didn't know that, so I don't blame them. So if I were to go to more games, oh, look at this. We got triple play, bonus poker, deluxe poker, double deuces. Then we got 5 play, then we got 10 play. And then on a normal machine, you'd have nickels, dimes, quarters, 50 cents, dollar. So what if you checked every combination to see if somebody left an advantageous state? And then you cut the bet in half and played exactly one hand, and then went to the machine next to it, and then the machine next to it, and then the machine next to that. And then you had a whole row of 20 of them at the bar, and then you had a whole pack of 6 of them over in the corner. Yeah, you can see why I can walk in with $100 and walk out with $200 pretty darn regularly. And then, New Year's I got a $2,000 2x royal on somebody else's 2x. Heck, I just got dealt quad deuces on someone else's 12-8 that they left. Who the heck leaves a 12-8 on a 5 line? I don't care. It's not my problem. I'll take the free money. But it would take forever to press all these with your finger. Hold up. Good thing 99% of machines have accessibility buttons for those with limited mobility, or who just prefer not to use the touchscreen because half the time it's broken. You're probably not going to memorize them just now. I mean, I'll show you how they work, but screenshot this or just go walk into a casino, press the button, and see what they do. You'll have it in 60 seconds. How quick could I wipe out a machine? I didn't speed up this footage. We're going left, left for exit, move left, then draw for enter. So we're just going left, left, enter, left, left, enter, left, left, enter, looking for mults. And this is technically a slightly different machine, but you get the idea. Use the middle to change it to 50 cent. Check and check and check in. It is that fast. So does this work in the real world? Well, of course it does. I've been doing this for years, but I thought, well, why not prove it? And remember, watch till the end because about 50% of the most important information is in like the last minute. So this is Superstar Poker. It does other things like Blackjack and Keno, as you can see, but it contains Ultimate X. And I filmed this about 45 minutes after bar closed. There was a whole row of these machines embedded in the bar, and they stopped serving, but you can still walk up to it. And they don't care if you play, you just can't order drinks because the bartender's left. But because this was a big drinking and gambling holiday, I don't remember which one actually, I filmed this just as a demo because the machines were loaded. So just as an example, I threw in $100. Let's see what happens. All right, we're trying nickel 10-line deuces first. This is the most restrictive machine with the least amount of options, but somebody left 2-2-2. That's pretty typical. Oh my gosh, 2 deuces. Nice. And let's see what we pull. There we go. Made 160 nickels on a 50 nickel bet. Let's go to double bonus. Yeah, 2-2-2-3-3. People leave that because they're just like, well, you got to leave sometime. I'm not going to wait for me to lose all 10 hands, and they leave something. That's just how it works. So we're going to 10 cent, 10 line double bonus here. Nothing there. Now we're going to 25 cent. Ooh, 2x. Not bad. This is deuces wild. There's a deuce. Got lucky there. See if we could pull something. 66% advantage if you were paying attention. Oh my gosh. Forgot I got that. I shot this a while ago. A straight flush and a double deuce pull. Okay, well that's 100 quarters. Jeez. But let's keep cruising. I mean, sometimes you get those bomb hands. Nothing there. We got a single 3x. Okay. And quarters are pretty big money here. Jack's not great, but let's see if we can pair it up. You never know. A little pair there. Okay, nice. So there was 15 on 15. That's fine. I'll break even. You can't win every time, but it's not a loss either. Nothing there. I got a little something here. A little light for quarters. 2x, 2x. But, okay, we're going to go ace jack. Let's see what we get. So I won 20 on 50. Okay, so I lost a little bit there because it just wasn't that great and again a killer hands. Nothing on 50 cent 3-line deuces. We got 2-2 on 50 cent. Let's go. 2 5s. Come on. Pick it up. Let's go. Oh, trips and then 2 pair. Okay, so that's 25 on 15, 50 cents. Like we're already up quite a bit. I'm at 124 bucks. And nothing there. Let's see, dollars, we got nothing, and nothing. And yeah, that's pretty common. People don't usually play $30 hands for very long. But at the end of the night, some people get up and leave, a 2x, 3x there. You never know. And it's that easy. You can see I left with $124.75 on a quick sweep that took no time. So I hit the other countless machines at the bar. I think it was at least a dozen. I don't know. I don't usually go to this casino. And I believe that night I ended up walking between that, the other machines, and the other machines. I think I walked that night with $700. Took me, 45 minutes and I got some drinks and went to the bathroom. So $700 an hour. Pretty good paying job. But wait. Okay, at this point you're obviously not leaving the video, but watch the video till the end because there's more to it. You want to make even more money? Oh, let's go. So let's go back to videopoker.com. That's what I was playing on. Great site to practice on, by the way. I think it might be owned by IGT, the people who built these machines. So that's kind of cool. So if you go to play and then find games in casinos, and then let's just, pick somewhere. All right, well, this is a list of all casinos in Florida that I guess at least IGT is aware of. I think that's how it works. So let's just say, I live near the Big Easy in Hallandale Beach. Let's hit view games. They have All-Star 2, which does contain Ultimate X, and they have 5 of them. 100 Draw, which is hilarious, but no advantage there. Spin Poker, no advantage there. Good fun. And Ultimate X 3. So, 8, we just say vulnerable machines, and it makes it sound like we're hacking them. We're not, but me and my crew like to have fun with the terminology. Well, let's say you're in Missouri, and you want to go to, this one. Oh, that's pretty big. Jeez, 68 machines. Ameristar Casino Hotel in Kansas City. Let's go. Well, let's see what we got. All-Star 1, I think, doesn't contain Ultimate X. Pretty sure All-Star 2 does. All-Star 3, I think, is the one with the new fancy curved OLED screen, and they've got Ultimate X plus Bonus Streak plus an even more vulnerable game that I don't want to get into right now, but yeah, those are nice. Ultimate X, they got 11. Superstar 1, that's the one that you just saw with the really funny layout, really old ones. 22 usually means they're embedded in the bar. But boy, I would live at this casino with this machine count. But what if you look up the casino closest to you and it sucks? 2 All-Stars and 1 UX streak, you could maybe make $15 a day. But wait, Google has over 2,000 photos. And what are those? Machines in the bar that are usually off lease or too old, and they're typically either Game King or something that contains Ultimate X, and they're just not being counted in the numbers. So if you can get a close enough photo of it, you can verify it. Or just go there and visit it. Speaking of going there, when should you do it? Oh look, Google is tracking everybody's Android phones, and there's 300% more people there than normal. Must be a big event, must be a holiday, must be a sports thing across the street, must be a concert. That is who you want there. Regulars don't leave multipliers. They're smarter than that. You want holiday gamblers. You want people to just kind of end up there because they're at a thing. And they're like, I know poker. And then they play, 20 hands and get up and leave, single 3X on a 3 line. 166% return to the next person who plays it. The only thing better than inexperienced gamblers are rich inexperienced gamblers, because inexperienced gamblers are going to play nickels. Oh, I love hitting 4 of a kind on nickels with a 2X multiplier and finding out that that's actually only $25. Hey, money's money, but I want to see some people leave mults on quarters, 50 cents, and dollars. And if your casino has a high limit room, hit it up. In Vegas, and at a couple of the casinos, we walked up to a $5 machine. 5 lines, somebody left a couple mults. Got a pair of jacks and won $150 in one play. Dollar machine, I got dealt trips on somebody's 2x on 3 line. Pulled quads, got just under a hand pay, $1,000 from one play. So you can be real fast and real obvious that you're doing something unusual, or you can be slow, methodical, check your phone, whatever. I mean, if there's 30 machines you got to get through, just hit it. Make sure there's very few witnesses because you don't want to teach other people behind you what you're doing. But don't look around and act nervous and be like, oh my God, security's going to come up and ask me, what? Oh my gosh. If they ask you what you're doing, just say, oh, it's like bad strategy on this game to start with no mults. So you just look and see if anybody else left a multiplier, and then you start playing on that one. It gives you like this little tiny minuscule good starting point edge thing. And then they're like, oh, and that's it. It is very rare to find an entire casino that doesn't know what you're doing and has never seen it before. It's somewhat common to run into security staff that think you're doing something odd and have never seen that before. So that's about it. Obviously, hit, like, subscribe, and add this to your favorites so you can reference the video later. You're going to be really mad if you can't refind it. Maybe give it a watch through again just to get the gist of it. Go practice on like any online one. Videopoker.com's cool. I mean, they didn't sponsor me or nothing. But you know who did? Into the AM. They sell some dope shirts. Every time I'm wearing one of those shirts, I win, but that's mostly because I'm effectively cheating. Also, I pretty much always wear their shirts when I'm in a casino. It makes me look like I'm vacationing, and I'm there to have fun. I'm a fun person. I'm not a seriously dressed person coming in by myself, looking around all nervous. That's who they're going to focus on. Bring some friends, bring a crew, get rowdy when you win. Act normal by hiding out in the open, and you won't have every other security guard asking what the hell you're doing. But if you win a bunch of money, and I'm not saying you're obligated to come back and buy some new garments at Into the AM. They got some joggers, they got some underpants, man, they got everything now. Hats, beanies, sweats, they're so comfy I sleep in them. And there's a style for everybody. So since I just gave you the entire premium course without being a dick and hide it behind some paywall, help a brother out, go check it out. Link in the description. Use code DeathThreads for 10% off. Otherwise the link will just kind of memorize it for 30 days. And go get some new casino gear with your new casino winnings. If you have any questions, leave it down below. If you want to see an in-depth way to play bonus streak. Too bad, this video took 70 hours to shoot and edit. I'm not doing this again. And if you want to rip off some slot machines, go look up Advantage Play. Watch out for true progression. Those are kind of crap, but 10 rollover, split pay tables, scarabs, happy eights, fire and ice sword. Yeah, there's a lot that you can always win at. And you're already in the casinos. I mean, might as well hit more machines, right? But yeah, go research that. Just the term slot machine advantage play or something like that. And check out Into the AM. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. And don't subscribe unless you like Magic the Gathering content.